2-3 job in America. I work hard for your money. I send you come give your husband, a spouse or a boyfriend with the intention saying you trust him enough. And when you come here, you send down your girl out your money. And when you come expect to have a certain amount of money in your account, when you come, nothing in your account, no money not there. What you done do?
My dad, I want place. I actually girl must spend the pants.
My money and no girl money.
But I ain't buying bars.
Guys, I boss I get trouble.
Everything.
Some of them are too wicked, then too wicked me me can go after exactly after me care for them so much them come on take my money, my girl up and woman.
No. I would die. Oh, I would go crazy. I would say, how could you do me that way, baby?
Maybe me not kill him.
Very upset. I'm probably taking him to court, demand back money from him.
Yeah, maybe me not do that. Just see me no want go the wicked way. You see me no want go the wicked way. Me I can't go back court there so. And me sue him. And me I want something in judgment summon. You see if you no pay by the time when the judge give him, me take out a judgment summon for him. And that no me have to pay. Plus if you no pay, don't go to jail. And you go to jail and come out, you have to pay me.
Amen.
You understand? That's how it go.
You think me that kill him, yes? You would have get in the first place.
If you are sending money come to Jamaica, come give your woman.
Yeah.
And she don't spend it on her side man.
Oh, me with that deal with it?
Yeah.
First thing I'm forward. What's my girl? When my money when they send come here. No house, no bill, no car, no buy. So bad man, I feel like more. Then I back a beating up when I buy one pack like my son. And I'm here cook. I'm fear plate up. Yo, I used to eat. Time she take up a spoon of food and put in her mouth. We say one step closer to your grave, motherfucker. I'm out.
You not say no money come get no man.
They have America do like 3 work a day. It's very hard. And then in the end you hardly get as much money. You understand? Me I pray for him kind of know better devil in my demons in them. So you have to pray for them to get out the demons out.
I'm going to further me and him. Me and him up.
No joking about that.
My money, your man. No sir.
I'm gonna just cry.
You must be blood clot, man. You care or something?
Yeah, I'm gonna just cry. I'm mad out. Cause God know me not go get back the money. And I'm like, go get back the money, you know. Me not send my money. Come give no boy. I'm here work 4 or 5 work. Never tell the crowd that.
Sorry, you not ask me permission to point the camera in on my face.
Them are ask a random question.
You really want to answer that?
What you mean?
We're not going to. Not interested. Not at all.
What you done do with it?
We don't do it, but when I probably go, I don't go back where. No, but I have to go carry go a court, obviously.
What?
Yeah. Because if I kill him, go get locked up, so. Hold up your money and I'll give the man them.
Don't waste your money.
But when I tell you the girl throw what they're on the sun. That video they watch it on YouTube and be a thing to go on.
You're supposed to know by now. It is only an act. It is called acting. So remember to like, subscribe, and share.
Big up to all I man them in I told you see me all I woman them see me, I don't know.
No money to no man.
Yes, bank to bank wire.
Bank to bank wire.
No man.
No man to me money.